Welcome. Today, we will guide you on how to mark a chat as read on Instagram with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the top right corner and locate the messenger icon. Tap on this icon to access your Instagram direct messages. Next, within your direct messages, long tap on the sender's username for the chat that you want to mark as read. This action will bring up additional options related to the chat. Now, look for the Mark as Read option among the choices available and tap on it. By selecting this option, you indicate that you have viewed and acknowledged the contents of the chat. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Instagram chats by marking them as read once you've engaged with them. This feature helps you stay organized and keep track of your conversations efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark a chat as read on Instagram. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Instagram messaging experience.